Hey nieces and nephews, it's your girl, Bad on BB, and this is going to be something you think is chill, but really it's a big deal. Just to give you a little bit of background information, your girl has been a YouTuber since 2017, and in some of my entrepreneurial vlogs, in fact, the #1 entrepreneurial vlog, where I show you guys why I started my businesses, I explain what really got me into making a YouTube. What people don't understand about YouTube is that YouTube is the second biggest search engine next to Google. YouTube is owned by Google. Therefore, just by being a searchable topic on YouTube, whatever your business, your service, or your content is, you can become Googleable by making a YouTube channel. But what you guys don't understand about me, in 2017, I became a YouTuber, not with much, but this cell phone right here. This is how I started my YouTube channel. A Samsung Galaxy S9 is how I started my YouTube channel. And you want to know what else I use? A laptop that I got off of frickin' eBay. An Apple MacBook Pro, 13-inch, because I can fit that in my purse and go to work with it. That's how I started my YouTube channel. So that just goes to show you that it doesn't take a lot to make a YouTube channel, but a YouTube channel can literally change your life. For me, monetizing my YouTube channel showed me a different way of making money online. I realized that I can even, just by having a platform on something like YouTube, which is unlike something like Instagram or Facebook, which is social media, and you can build business off of those social media sites, but YouTube has a different level of community and a different level of engagement. So by building a YouTube channel, even with something as simple as your cell phone, okay guys, like, you can quickly become an authority in whatever content it is that you make. I personally started watching YouTube in college when I was watching a lot of natural hair and hair reviews, because I went to school in Columbia, Missouri, where there was not a lot of black hair supply stores like there was in Chicago, where I come from. So it was like I learned how to do my hair. I learned where to order hair online so that I wasn't lacking just because I wasn't in my normal community. And I learned so much from the women whose reviews I was watching. And at that time, I was watching Atia, Real Heavy. I was watching Thomas Adriana. I was watching a lot of ladies doing these hair reviews and little makeup reviews. I was watching Time the Infamous, and they were teaching me things that I never knew, all online. And this is just an example for the nieces and the nephews, because I know I got nephews watching and they're not doing makeup, they're not doing hair. They're like, Auntie, talk about something that I'm gonna understand. YouTube is that place where people are looking, and they're looking to learn straight off of the strength of you being physical and being an influencer of sorts, which I'm considered a micro influencer now, having over 11,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm an authority in the things that I talk about because of my platform, simply because I kept creating content on the platform. And that's what the people that you watch do, and that's what you can do too. So what is it that you know about already that you can make easy content about? And don't think your life is boring, guys, because one of my favorite influencers and media influencers is Gary Vee, and he always says, your life is boring to you, which is why I don't do vlogs as much. I'm getting into it now more, but I wasn't doing vlogs because I felt like my life was boring. But your life is boring to you, but it's interesting to somebody else. And even if your life is that boring, okay, guys, just say it's that boring, right? The content that you can give, the things that you know about, the gift that you can record and make content about is something that is going to change somebody else's life. And it's in a video format, which is how everybody wants to learn these days. People are reading books, they're listening to books, but they're also watching videos. And just by building my YouTube channel, guys, I was able to leverage my YouTube channel to become an authority and an ambassador for products that made me over $20,000 in a year. So if you are curious about that, you definitely need to check out workwithbb.com. Having a YouTube channel has expanded my whole life and my lifestyle by far. I wouldn't trade my YouTube experience nor my YouTube audience, the people that I've learned and I communicate with, the people who show me love, people who send me Christmas cards, people who really care about me and actually support me and my brand. They want to see me do well. That's what I got to see through YouTube, and there's nothing like it, and I love it, and I don't take it for granted at all. And that's why I just want to give you guys so much quality content on how you can do the same for yourself. And I hope that you take everything that I told you in this video and that you don't take it for granted. So I'm gonna close this video on that here. There's no community without the you and the I. So please give this video a thumbs up, like your girl, subscribe to your girl, and leave any questions, comments, or concerns. Leave me a comment. Ask me any questions in the comments below. If there's something that you want to ask me otherwise, check me out on social media because I love hearing from you. And you know that. Okay? And if not, you better subscribe now so I can keep reminding you so you know that for sure. But in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl, Bad Aunt BB. Over and out.